Autonaut Premium Sami is your menopause ally for navigating this transition with confidence and vitality. Endogenously produced, Sami helps restore hormonal and neurochemical balance during menopause, supporting your body's adaptation and improving overall well-being. Sami helps synthesize neurotransmitters to stabilize mood and may support the body's natural thermoregulation, potentially providing relief for menopausal symptoms. As a methyl donor, Sami may support cardiovascular health and healthy aging during menopause. Embrace menopause with confidence using Autonaut Premium Sami to restore balance and strength.